I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab wontons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of fresh crab meat, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and a package of square wonton wrappers. Don't forget some finely chopped green onions, a little garlic powder, and a good quality oil for frying. Having a tasty dipping sauce ready will complete this amazing appetizer. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. In a medium bowl, gently combine your 8 ounces of fresh crab meat with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Make sure it's well mixed but still a bit chunky. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions for a fresh bite. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Folding wontons is easier than you think. Lay a single wonton wrapper flat on a clean surface. Place about 1 tablespoon of your delicious crab and cream cheese filling right in the center. Dip your finger in a small bowl of water and lightly moisten all 4 edges of the wrapper. Now, fold it into your desired shape, perhaps a simple triangle or a classic purse, pressing firmly to seal completely, ensuring no air pockets. Finally, it's time to fry these golden delights. In a deep pot or skillet, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few wontons into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and serve immediately with sweet chili sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.